Hi everybody, my name is Martin Reed and I'm a chemist and I'm very interested in telling people about water, everything you have to know, so you really are conscious how to get the best hydration. So as we know, the bottled water market is a real big hoax. On one side they are selling us water that they sell for 1,000 times the price of tap water, and on the other side they are really polluting our beautiful planet. Nowadays 1,200,000 bottles are produced per minute, and it's a shame, but 90% of the bottles will not be recycled. So most of them will end in sooner or later in the ocean. So today we're going to show you that a water system like our brand Water Perfect from Clarity System is able to provide you with better quality of water at a better price. So what we're going to do today is compare not how clean the water is, because obviously we are sure that this water is pretty clean. But what we're going to compare is the minerals that water has. Those are the nutrients you need in your body, because those are electrolytes, and through them you're able to transport the electricity signals to your hands, so you can just close your hand or move your arms, because you need electrolytes in your body to be able to send those electrical signals. And we're going to compare how oxidant or antioxidant a water is, if it's pH alkaline or if it's maybe acidic. So, we've got some instruments here I'm going to present briefly. This is an instrument that is going to allow us to measure the ORP. ORP is the oxidation reduction potential. It's going to tell us if a liquid is oxidizing, if it's positive, or antioxidizing, if it's negative. On this side we have an apparatus that is able to measure the hydrogen in water. Hydrogen is the ultimate antioxidant. It's the most efficient and strongest one, so it's very important. Here we've got a TDS meter. TDS stands for total dissolved solids, and it's going to show us how many minerals we have in the water. And we also have some alkaline water drops, and these are going to show us if the water is pH alkaline or if it's acidic. So today we're going to compare Water Perfect with this brand. So this is the brand from Nestle. It's called Pure Life. Probably many of you drink this brand, and obviously this is a part of the problem we have with plastics. So here we have 5 stages where the water is cleaned. This is water that comes from the normal house line, and here we pre-filter the water, then we take away all the chemicals. Then we will take away all the different microbiological aspects like bacteria and virus. And then in the last 2 cartridges we will enrich the water. Okay? So this is very important. We're going to take a sample. This is a closed bottle. So we're going to take a sample of this water in this little cup. And we're going to take a sample of our water in this little one. So I've got different exits here. This is after purifying the water, and this is after mineralizing and enriching the water with hydrogen. So we're going to take a little sample here. And now we'll start comparing. So the first thing we're going to measure, I'll take some more water here, and also some more water here. So the first thing we're going to measure is the antioxidant power. So we'll use the ORP meter. We'll turn it on. And now we're going to see if the Nestle water is positive or oxidizing. And here we have a positive value that is reaching 272. On the other side, if we take the water we just took from our 5-stage alkaline water system, we can see that it rapidly drops. It goes into the negative. So here we have a very strong antioxidizing power. So it's still going far further into the negative. Now it's reached 243 negative. And just to show this again, it's now under 300. And it probably will continue and will stabilize around -400. So in this case, we've got a oxidizing agent plus 270, I think we said, and here we've got an anti-oxidizing agent that is reaching -400. So that would be the first test. The second test, we're going to check if there's hydrogen in the water, because hydrogen, as I said, is the most effective and strongest antioxidant. So this is measured in parts per billion. We turn on our little apparatus, and now we can see it is in 0. And if we put it into the water of the bottle sample, it will stay in 0. But what happens if we take this same meter and go into the sample of our system? It starts going up. As you can see, it's already reached 120. It will go to 200, 300, 400, 500, probably 600. It's going up very, very quick because we have got a lot of hydrogen in this water, and this hydrogen is able to neutralize the free radicals inside the cell. So this would be the second test. The third test we're going to make is we're going to compare the minerals. So this water, bottled water from Nestle, we turn on the TDS meter, and we can see that it goes up to 138. $187. So it does have some minerals. We will check now the mineralized water. This one goes to 173. And now finally, we will compare if the water is alkaline or if it's acidic. And therefore we will just use some small amounts of water. And we'll use the drops. So, on one side we're going to add first 3 drops. And on the other side we will add 3 drops too. As you can see, one immediately turns strong yellow, and the other one immediately turns blue. If we compare this to the pH scale that we have on our pH drop bottle, we can see that yellow is in this case 5, so it's very acidic. And on the other side, the blue one, we can see it's very alkaline, it goes up to 9. So this is just a little comparison with the first brand. In this case it's Pure Life from Nestle. And we will be doing this with 30 different brands. We probably will do it with the brand you drink too. So go alkaline and go water perfect. Thank you very much.